Today we have a topic work and time on a quadratic equation. A takes 10 days less than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. If both A and B together can finish the work in 12 days, find the time taken by B to finish the work. So let me consider B takes X days to finish a piece of work. Then A takes X minus 10 days to finish the same work. Now B 1 day work would be 1 upon X and A 1 day work would be 1 upon X minus 10. Now A and B together can finish the work in 12 days. So A and B together can finish the work in 1 day equal to 1 upon 12. So we get an equation 1 upon X minus 10 plus 1 upon X and 1 upon 12. From this we can get the value of X. Now in another question, if two pipes function simultaneously, a wire will be filled in 12 hours. One pipe fills the reservoir in 10 hours faster than the other. How many hours will the second pipe take to fill the reservoir? So, let me consider, suppose one pipe takes X hour, then other will take X minus 10 faster than the other. So in 1 day, in 1 hour, it would fill 1 upon X, and in a similar way faster will take 1 upon X minus 10, and both will be filled in 12 hours. Then in 1 hour 1 upon 12. So we can write an equation 1 upon X plus 1 upon X minus 10 is equal to 1 upon 12. So we get an equation 1 upon X plus 1 upon X minus 10 is equal to 1 upon 12. From this we can get the value of X. Now in another question, two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 and 3 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Let smaller diameter takes X hour, then larger diameter will take X minus 10 hours. In 1 hour, smaller diameter would fill the tank 1 upon X. In a similar way, larger diameter fill the tank in 1 hour, 1 upon x minus 10. If both the tank fill in 75 upon 8 hours, so in 1 hour it would fill 8 upon 75. So we can similarly mannered say that 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 is equal to 8 upon 75, and we get an equation to solve the quadratic equation. So we can write, so we get an equation 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 is equal to 8 upon 75, where 1 upon x is a smaller diameter and 1 upon x minus 10 is larger diameter, and both the relate with equation 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 is equal to 8 upon 75. Now in another question, so it can take 12 hours to fill a swimming pool using two pipes. If the pipe of larger diameter is used for 4 hours and the pipe of smaller diameter for 9 hours, only half the pool can be filled. How long would it take for each pipe to fill the pool separately? Firstly, let me consider larger diameter would take x hour, then can take 12 hours to fill a swimming pool. If the pipe of larger diameter is used for 4 hours and the pipe of smaller diameter for 9 hours, only half of the pool can be filled. So we can, so in this question basically we need to take two variables x and y. First one would take x hour, then other one will take y hour. So we can say that if larger diameter will take x hours, for larger diameter, and y hour for smaller diameter. So in 1 hour 4 upon x plus 9 upon y is equal to, it will take 12 hours to fill, then in 1 hour it will take 1 upon 12. From this we get a linear equation like a 4u plus 9v is equal to 1 upon 12. And another, only half the pool would be filled, so it becomes half. and in another 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 1. It will go. So we can say that 1 upon 12. It takes 12 hours to fill a swimming pool. In 1 hour it will take 1 upon 12. In both the equation we can say u plus b is equal to 1 upon 12. First, second. To fill a swimming pool, two pipes are used. A pipe of larger diameter used for 4 hours and the pipe of smaller diameter for 9 hours. Only half of the pool can be filled. How long it will take for each pipe to fill the pool separately? If the pipe of smaller diameter takes 10 hours more than the pipe of larger diameter. If larger diameter takes x hour then smaller would take smaller diameter takes x plus 10 hour, and we know in 1 hour it would take 1 upon x. In a similar way, in 1 hour smaller diameter fill 1 upon x plus 10 in 1 hour. One upon x for larger diameter and in 1 hour 1 upon x plus 10 would be filled by smaller diameter. So we get an equation, and it would, if the pipe of larger diameter take 4 upon x plus 9 upon x plus 10 is equal to half of the pool, so it becomes half. We get an equation to solve the question. Now, in a similar way, A can do a piece of work in X days and B can do the same work in X plus 16 days. If both working together can do it in 15 days, calculate the X. So A can do a piece of work in X. Let A can take X days. In 1 day, it will take 1 upon X. In 1 day, A take 1 upon X. In a similar way, B take 1 upon X plus 16. In 1 day, B take 1 upon 16. If both of them work together, that means 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 16 become in 15. In 1 day it becomes 1 upon 15, and we get an equation to solve minus another question. One pipe can fill a cistern in 3 hours less than other. Let if one pipe take if one pipe takes X hour, one pipe takes X hour, then other would take X minus 3 hours. In 1 hour, it would fill 1 upon X and other would fill 1 upon X minus 3. If both of them fill together, then it takes 6 hours 40 minutes. That means 1 upon 6 plus 40 upon 60. Then we can solve it by cancel 0 0. It would become 1 upon X plus 1 upon X minus 6. That becomes 6 upon 40. So in another video we discuss about another word problems on a quadratic equation.